Today's blind spot is not knowing how to coach. Listen, one of the key things that we have to do as leaders is to coach our people. We want to coach them in order to become 100% proficient in their skills and the results and the experiences that they need to have to excel in that current job. The problem is most of us weren't coached, so we don't know how to coach. It's not one of those things that have been passed on from generation to generation of management. Chances are it didn't exist. If it did, it wasn't great up to this point. You've got to start fresh. Most managers will tell you that they coach all day long. Somebody asks for help, do this, and this. We say to ourselves, no better coaching than that. Listen, I just did that in about 6 minutes. I gave them all the answers. But you're shocked when they go implement and it looked nothing like what you just told them to do. Why? Because they didn't remember it. Why? Because you told them what to do. It was your idea. And so you have to go from your idea to their idea. And so coaching, ask yourself this. How often do you coach each individual person on your team? Can you answer these questions? How often do you coach? What's the frequency, right? Do you have an agenda each and every time that you coach, that you send ahead of time? Are you coaching to behaviors? Are you coaching to the top 10 Sandler behaviors, whether it's sales behaviors, management behaviors? You can identify behaviors for every different department in your company. If you're not, we're in trouble. Are we actually coaching to the gap? Meaning, once you identify the behavior, you have to give them a grade. And the ones that we want to improve upon, if it's a C, how do I get to an A? When do I want to get to that A? And what's the benefit to me and the organization if I do a better job, let's say at interviewing or selling? That's the key. If you don't have all the components, then really you're wasting your time. And wasting your time in coaching, that's not great for you and it's not great for the people below you, because coaching is one of the 4 hats of leadership. And if we're going to spend between 30 to 40% in that hat, you've got to make sure that every coaching opportunity that you have hits the mark, because the ripple effect is horrific. So check out whether you have the blind spot. Till we see each other again, good luck.
The Road to Excellence, 6 leadership strategies to build a bulletproof business is on sale now at shop.sandler.com. Contact a local Sandler trainer to learn more about our Organizational Excellence Management Training Program, or click subscribe to get notified about future management tips.